Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or limit books and audiobooks to automatically download over 200 megabytes over a cellular network on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, on the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Books. In Books, we scroll down and go to the cellular data and make sure you turn on automatic downloads. Next, tap on Downloads. And in here, it says Always Allow if you want to always allow books to download, books and audiobooks to download over 200 megabytes. Without asking for confirmation, you can choose Always Allow, or you can select Ask if over 200 megabytes. So the phone or the device will always ask you when a download is over 200 megabytes. Or always ask. So it will always ask for your permission no matter what when it's trying to download using cellular network. And that's it. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.